Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Nyame aye adom yenya 2 goes to nothing. On your own assessment of the club, how will you tell the viewers who were not at the stadium?
Well, the David Kano, you better nyame ase. Say how far baby or dear babedru. I also believe we say football a building process. Problems that you go through, any pressure by you know. Now you hear how to manage it. Mecam management, I'm not referring to management or more club on day-to-day running. The entire family, the management of our situation is important. How our supporters be reactive, how our players in super fast situation is different. Anyhow our management and casa, any board no, ever manage the situation is important. But I think that any resource no, I can be at me. Actually, near manage share kakra together in a year, you know. I'm a who say. And Cabo Muno say continue the year Juma. I did a boy empire.
See, Nana, who the minimum say what management to pay? Who name how managing Kumasa Sante Kotoko? Very tedious. Now, okay, the current pressure on this management we have. Now, okay, your performance on the field doesn't match what the management is doing.
Well, you see, I say, so manage team, who issues. Issues in the bar, how you manage it, and how you manager. You get it? Problems in there. Bible Kaka said, but a bar, how about managing? That makes you a good manager. And until the management there, so far, managerially, make us say they are on course. What matters administratively, they are doing it. But Kotoko, one club, when the results are not showing here, and I said the supporters are not getting the results, no, the pressure bar, disorganize your plans in OBBR. So a balance that what you need to do is say bring stability to the winning spray, no. And see, and the results, no, are very important for the team. By moving forward, you know, supporters, you have to not unnecessary pressure. Yes, a supporters there definitely will be you move here and Koya intimate transi, Yabekasa. By your casa mono and also share your casa ye. Now you're discouraging ranty and any umbay no money and deliver. And Kayana pressure the best bias. So, but we thank God that together we've been able to get the 3 maximum points.
Right, no, not yet. That's it. Send the one you have fabulous zone.
Yeah, Mr. Madam.